So instead of the traditional parts, we're here today machining a football stadium. We have the GROB G350 with Lang work holding, Seco tooling and SolidCAM. So this project effectively demonstrates how we bring all of our capabilities together.
GROBs are perfect for our machining due to the swarf management. You're allowed heavy roughing, allowing the swarf to actually evacuate the pocket. If it was on a vertical machine, we will very much struggle with the swarf management, getting a lot of build-up, reducing tool life. So allowing for the kinematics to rotate to -90 to machine, the swarf management is fantastic and really benefits it.
So for a component like this, with its range of features from the deep pockets, the curved surfaces and the freeform surfaces, the machining accuracy and positioning is absolutely critical. With the GROB G350, we've been able to hit that without a problem. But the machine is only part of the solution.
Here today we've got our 0-point plate where we've actually then mounted the billet of material for machining the football stadium directly into the actual billet. This actually will give us absolute stability, rigidity, which will improve the surface finish, extend the tool life, but also more so than that we can take the workpiece off during manufacture and put it back on within less than 5 microns. So you've got absolute repeatability.
For machining a component like this football stadium, tool choice is absolutely imperative, not just for efficiency, but also for the surface finish.
Seco complements the iron machining strategies. In this case, machining the stadium, which was aluminium. We used our S4 range. For the iron machining strategy, it was a 16mm 5-flute tool, and benefits of that tool is it has a chip splitter option, through coolant and variable pitch geometries, enhances the performance of the machining.
SolidCAM has been absolutely fundamental to this project. We've been able to program the entirety of this part with a variety of different operation types, but also simulate the what-if scenarios to make sure that we create this efficient program. With the stadium complete, we can now see how all the partners have come together. This project shows how bringing the right partners together can produce an incredible demo piece.